There are two places where MAC addresses can be retrieved. One is the interface to the left box where it is automatically listed. Simply click on the zoom in symbol to view it. Select the zoom out symbol to return to the previous screen. You can also see the source and destination MAC addresses in the MAC tab at the center of the test screen. Select Zoom In to view details. Notice that the source and destination addresses shown here are identical because we are testing to a loop on the interface. If you were testing to a remote unit, often referred to as a head-to-head test, you would input the MAC address of the remote or destination interface. You will always want to verify that your link status is up to assure connectivity. This is indicated by the green arrow at the bottom left corner. We have included a brief explanation on how a MAC address is derived.